Good morning, everyone. I'm Gaurav Issa from InCred Equities. Nifty had a very volatile session yesterday. It started on a positive note, and as the day progressed, it gained increased momentum, and it looked as if it will have another 300, 350 point session yesterday. But there were two interesting things. One, it made a fresh swing high. The previous swing high was 23,807. Yesterday, it made a high of around 23,848.50. With this, it has formed a higher high. Since 26,300, Nifty has been forming lower tops, lower bottom. Yesterday was the first instance when it broke that particular pattern. It has formed a higher high. This is an early sign of a trend reversal. Once we see a correction, whenever that happens to whatever level, if that fails to go below the previous swing low of 21,950, that would mean that Nifty has formed a higher low as well. So from lower tops, lower high, lower low to higher high, higher low, that is the characteristic of an uptrend, and it will again cement the view which I shared a couple of weeks back in terms of report Abhi nahi to kabhi nahi, that Nifty base formation has been seen. Second interesting aspect, yesterday the reversals in Nifty happened exactly from the Ichimoku cloud additions, something which we spoke about yesterday as well. So yesterday's high of say almost around 23,850, 870, that particular zone is going to be crucial, critical. As long as Nifty does not give a close above these levels, we may see a slippage coming in Nifty. Immediate supports are seen at 23,500. Strong supports are seen at 23,000 levels. So far, the rally has been on account of short covering by call writers, and it will be interesting to see whether the 24,000 call writers are also uh, know, taken by force. So interesting to see, but for now it looks as if that is going to be a little bit difficult. Hourly charts are showing RSI at 86, 87 levels. So again, RSI is not rising. We have seen rise happening in Nifty. There's no bearish divergence as such on hourly charts, but RSI is not witnessing a move towards in 1995, even when Nifty was up 200 points. So there is going to be a comma, not a full stop in Nifty's upside. So that is also an interesting aspect. FIs yesterday bought around 5,400 crores worth in cash. Domestic sold around 2,800 crores worth in cash. So we have a second consecutive day where FIs have been positive or net buyers. Let us see if this continues for next two trading sessions or not. US markets closed flat yesterday. Gift Nifty is pointing towards 75 points upside as we speak. So in all likelihood, we'll open on a positive note, a small gap up note. Yesterday's high is going to be critical, crucial. There are two things that can happen. One, we may cross yesterday's high briefly, and RSI does not make a new high. That will be sign of a bearish divergence. And if there's slippage sort of coming in, we'll see pressure coming right away. Or we fail to cross yesterday's high and we start giving up the gains in the early morning hours. In any case, I would not be too keen in creating fresh longs at this point in time. Those who have created longs at lower levels, it is time to start booking profits and keep holding with trailing stop losses. That will from my side. Thank you.
Investments in securities market are a subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.